Let's learn about how you can add subtitles to your video. In this video, I'm going to use one of my old tutorials that I created on how you can create a circular video. Don't worry, we are not going to listen to the full length of the video. We're just going to use it for illustration purposes. So to start, we import our video into the timeline. So let's take a listen and see what we can do with the subtitles. Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. Today we're going to learn how to put... Alright, so at least it has voice on it, and we're going to try and create captions from this video. So to do that, you click on the captions up here. Click on the captions. And then you have two basic options here. You can click on add captions. Now when you use add captions, it means you have manually or physically transcribed your own video to test. So when you have already done that, you come here and import what you have manually transcribed, okay? But if you haven't done that, then and you need CapCut to do it on your behalf, you go ahead and click on auto caption. Auto caption, as its name suggests, will automatically create the captions for you, okay? So you select your language here. I think by default it's on English, so we leave it as it is. And then you click on generate. As simple as that. Now, this is where the power of your machine comes to play. If your machine is that powerful or strong enough, it will generate it very fast. If it is not as powerful as mine, then we are going to wait a while and allow it to generate. I would pause the video. Good. So CapCut is now done transcribing our video and giving us captions to our video. Let's see how it works. Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. Today we're going to learn how to put a circular frame or Very good. So as you can see, CapCut has automatically transcribed our video and given us captions on our video. But it's not that perfect. I would give it a 99. Just look at this test here. It says or circular video. Now what I meant by circular is not this kind of circular. I mean circular. So to do the corrections here, simply click on it, and then make sure you're in basic here. And then when you come here, you can edit it. Okay, so I click here and then I delete the SE. Then I replace it with CIR. There you have it. Okay, so after auto captioning your video, make sure you run through it and make sure all the tests inside it are correct. If they are not, just come here and edit your test inside here. It's as simple as that. If this tutorial was helpful, please click on the like button. You can share to other people to benefit from the video and subscribe to my channel. Stay safe and bye-bye.